Hi, I'm Ashley, a designer with Georgian Renovations. Georgian has been in business for over 50 years, specializing in renovations, additions, and custom homes. Today I would like to share with you another successful project by Georgian. So I remember when I first walked into the house, it was very segregated. There was no unity to all the spaces. There was a huge wall that separated the kitchen from the family space. So removing the wall from the kitchen, gutting out the entire space. So that was the start to the design. So the family entertains a lot. They have a large family, so we needed to double the size of the kitchen, have a larger eat and breakfast table so everyone can eat and enjoy meals together. We used a large scale 24 by 24 marble tile on the floor, not only for durability, but to make the space look larger. I designed the kitchen not just for beauty, but for functionality as well. So your work triangle flows, and then the bar prep space, entertaining, is just off to the side, but the island unites those two spaces together. It's all a unified space. So knowing that the dogs were such an important part of this family's lifestyle, we created special areas and spaces that they can go to, but it keeps them included in the everyday lifestyle. This is another successful creation by Georgian. We did a lot of built-in appliances. So this is the built-in wine fridge. And because this is all fridge, we did some built-in freezer drawers, so they're concealed so you don't see them, but you don't lose any freezer storage this way. So there's 4 of them. We also designed the bar, which has a built-in ice maker with a freshwater drinking faucet, and we also have extra storage for glassware. The ovens are close to counter space, so you can put dishware down, and it's close to the cooktop. The fridge is within arm's reach to get extra ingredients, and then you're close to the sink if you need to wash anything. This is not just a pantry, it's a butler's pantry. So it has your built-in coffee maker, it has an extra concealed fridge for extra storage. We also have a built-in steam oven, and then you have a faucet with a sink to do dishes. Our intention for the bathroom was to create a spa-like feel. You have the large slab tiles on the walls, with offsetting that with mosaic inlay on the floor. We created a makeup station for the client to sit and get ready with full height mirrors just to reflect the space and make it look wider. The intention for this bathroom was that it was very closed off. So it had a 3-foot small shower in the corner with walls up on both sides. You had the built-in jacuzzi tub that most people don't use anymore. So we wanted to open the space up. So we did a huge shower. We created a much larger shower with a steam unit installed, so you can get the feel of a sauna without actually having one. So this is the handheld shower. These are the body jets, so you can really get that spa feel. Georgian's goal was to create a beautiful and elegant space for our client. The fact that they're happy means that we succeeded. Maybe it's time to put a little bit of love in your home. Come and visit our showroom at Improve Canada at 7250 Keele Street in Vaughan.